Do you feel like your manufacturing business is getting out of hand? Keeping track of all the operations, orders, inventory, and employees' tasks can be a very chaotic experience. But does it have to be? With JIKKO, a manufacturing execution system solution, chaos meets precision. JIKKO is an AI-driven software, full of tools that can help you improve your productivity and reduce your operational cost by up to 30%. Optimize your inventory and reduce waste by generating production orders according to your customers' requests. This way, you can maintain synchronization between your operations and supply chain, ensuring increased on-time deliveries. Also create the routes and material breakdowns for each of your products in the simplest way possible, and maintain real-time control over the consumption of all resources with the plant layout functionality. With JIKKO's traceability dashboards, you can reach the maximum potential of your operations, as this allows you to gain powerful insights of the real costs, work centers' productivity, and employees' performance. Achieve maximum efficiency in your operations with the production scheduling optimization. This enables you to manage your resources, considering your specific needs and all the variables that determine the optimal manufacturing time for each production batch. Optimize in seconds your production workload and reduce down and setup times thanks to AI algorithms. Learn more about how to transform your business with JIKKO and join all the companies that are unlocking their full potential.